Sending money across borders just got a whole lot simpler with Remitly. This tutorial will guide you through every step of making a payment with Remitly, ensuring your international transfers are secure and easy. First things first, let's get your payment method set up. Log into your Remitly account, and you'll see a prompt to add a payment option. Tap on that to begin. Remitly offers flexibility. You can link your bank account for direct transfers, or use your credit or debit card for quick transactions. For this example, let's choose to link a bank account. You'll be asked to enter your bank account details, like your account and routing numbers. Double-check everything for accuracy. If you prefer using a card, simply select that option and enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Remitly prioritizes your security, so your information is encrypted. Now that your payment method is linked, let's initiate a transfer on the app's dashboard. Tap Send Money. Again, you'll need to select the country you're sending to and enter the amount. You can either select an existing recipient or add a new one. Enter the exact amount you wish to send. Remitly will even show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees up front. It's crucial to understand the fees. Remitly is transparent about these costs, which can vary depending on the speed of the transfer and the payment method used. You can usually choose between a faster, potentially higher fee option or a slower, more economical one. Before you confirm, review all the details: recipient's name, the amount, the exchange rate, and the total cost. Once you're satisfied, tap Send Now. And that's it. Your money is on its way. Remitly offers tracking, so you can monitor your transfer's progress every step of the way. Sending money globally has never been so straightforward and secure.